right, what we doing today, Anthony? What are we doing today? Shifter went on? What kind?
E-series, a shifter rebuild.
Yeah. Well, we already put this. It's probably gonna be greasy, so watch it.
It's not that greasy. That's low life, bro. Static. Bro, why is the jack tilted? Bro, he's one of those like lowrider cars, like hydraulics lifted up on one side. God damn, bro. Look at his tire, his rubber is bending, bro.
You losing hella air pressure.
It took us like 2 hours to just put these jack stands on. This buffoon right here doesn't know how to put a jack stand on.
You're the buffoon.
Bro, did I say anything was wrong with my side?
Oh, Ryan's the buffoon? Yeah.
Ryan is the. He took out the X bar, sold that shit. He is not a true race car driver anymore, bro.
Yeah, bro, the linkage is crazy all the way up here. Oh shit! Someone fell in my mouth. This part needs to go. This part of the shifter.
Yeah, it's moving.
So do it again. So much play in the linkage, bro.
So this is fucking. I might be able to just drop it from here.
You dropped some bolt?
Yeah, I told you a bolt dropped.
Okay, you just dropped it right now. It didn't drop before.
Ready?
Who the fuck?
Bro, what are you recording, bro?
Corny do this shit. Oh, my fucking head. I hit the jack stand with my fucking head.
What?
Alright, he got the pushing off the shifter linkage, and now he's.
Take this one out, bro. What?
You just gotta like finesse it out,
I
dude.
know.
Goal is to provide our police officers with advanced training programs and
How much? How much?
oh, that's wonderful. Thank you so much.
We know how
Our
much.
top donation levels
Bro, stop. I was joking, bro. Stop.
This is gonna be a time lapse.
Stop, bro.
Got this shit out. Alright. What is it? Skunk 2?
Junk 2.
Junk 2? Alright. What are we replacing it with? What is this one again?
DMITR.
GDMIT. Oh. OEM
Let me
spec.
clean this shit up, though. Hold on.
Hopefully it feels better, because that shit was like.
It's definitely not gonna be as notchy.
I think its shifter was a little too notchy before. Alright, we got the bushing out. Now we just gotta get this shifter out. Got to probably remove these 2 bolts, maybe. Manual labor, bro. That's how it is. There we go. Oh! Got the Bankai trash. What is it? What'd you call it? Junk 2?
$60.
$60. Damn, it's got the OEM serial number on it too. You can't beat that.
Bro, this is a monkey.
We got the bushing in. Looking nice. With some grease. Alright guys, check out the new transmission. Ready? Short shifter go. Bro, put your finger up. What are you doing? Why is this shit so low? Hey, raise that shit up. Ah, it's got a micro penis. Alright, now that we got the new shifter on, just gotta reverse our steps.
Can you give me that bag of all the OEM parts?
Bro, it's right here.
What the fuck is that?
Hey, bro, we gotta feed that to the top. Ryan's gonna go up.
Huh? Hell no, you can't do the top. How was this thing in?
Bro, you're the one who took it out. You don't remember?
Yeah, I forgot.
Check. Bro, it's not gonna be. I know, but you gotta do it evenly. Even Steven, bro.
Thread it through.
It turns out
this part needs to go in more.
the shifter linkage was actually bent. Whoever had the car beforehand fucked up.
Well, this thing still needs to go into the shifter, so I'm just trying to get the clearance for it. Let me get the hammer.
What did I say, bro?
Shifter is finally in. Anthony's just tightening up everything right now. Torquing the spec. I'll take it for a little test drive. Damn, bro. You almost scraped in that shit. Alright.
I try it.
Oh, I get this. What's that? Not much play. Well, at least it doesn't like. Wow, wow, wow. I don't know about that.
You gotta put that Sticky Joe on.
Sleepy Joe. Alright, it's time for food. I'm starving. Damn, bro, he is riding that clutch. I gotta jump over this shit. I did the bunny hop, bro.
Look at the regular traffic blending in. My back of your shirt is so fucking crusty, bro. I can't believe you're sitting in my chair.
Bro, I dusted off. It's just stains.
OEM as hell. Shit, hey, that feels, bro, it feels butter.
Bro, it's happy.
Thank God. No, shit.
We'll drive it after.
Yeah. When you get back, you can drive it. You want to drive it too, Mark? You can drive it.
Sure.
All the homies that help could drive it. Wait, Ryan didn't even help.
Bro,
Last time I reckoned.
last thing did, bro, was go change his shirt and then come back and just sit on TikTok.
You gotta change that
Bro,
guy's
it
lock.
feels like actual, like, bro, like, you see that guy that be shifting like this? It feels like that.
You have to change the time on your clock.
Yeah, because I think you changed it, you fucking bitch.
I didn't change it.
Are you sure? Somebody changed it, bro.
I didn't touch that.
Bro, remember you were touching it?
I fixed it though.
Did you really fix it?
Yeah, bro. People, I forgot to change it because of daylight savings.
He's on the bull, he's on the bull.
Yeah, it feels way better, dude. Gosh. All the mods I do in my car are just so good. I know how to build a Honda, bro.
Hey, it's clean, it's clean, it's clean. Damn, we got a WRX stock ride height. The little pull.
Lady driven.
Looks pretty
Butter.
Dude, that's good.
Hell yeah, bro.
No play. Picked up some Jack in the Box. Forgot your drink, bro. Gotta eat on your spoiler. Put it in gear and he's turning the wheel all the way.
Bro, stop, bro. You never drove manual before, bro? Come on.
Clutch is different.
You should. Okay, okay.
Feels nice. Hey, I'm gonna have to give me one too.
Go from a DC5 to DC2.
She called me like, yo, the car's not turning on. Dude, the car won't turn on.
What? Shut up, bro.
Bro,
Come back.
I'm serious. I stalled in the car, it won't turn on.
What?
Yeah, I don't know what's
Where are
wrong.
you guys?
We're on Emerald. We're next to that silver Integra.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. You're lying, bro.
I'm not.
You're
Look,
making me walk all over there.
see?
Just to be
It's not.
controlled.
Dude, call him back, you idiot. Oh my god, bro.
I'm just gonna walk over here.
Watch, he needs to be walking his ass. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Bro,
Just don't get my fucked up trim.
we
It looks so nice now. This looks way better.
I know. Looks clean.
That's crazy. You didn't even straighten out my wheel when you park tomorrow.
Bro, when are we repainting this?
Is that valid? That's
Oh.
valid. Bro, what are you
I
doing?
just touched it once.
how I got out of gear? That's how you were driving my car, bro.
Bro, what? You doing it yourself? Nah. Dude, he's being abused. Bro, he threw it back. All right, we got playoffs right here. Ah. Shoot! Oh, 2. Oh my God, Ryan, you are getting. All right, 1v1 finally in session. For possession.
Oh, big! Oh, big!
Oh,
Who's getting good? Big!
oh, damn! All right, it's over. All right.
What?
Ah. Oh! That's one.
What do you want?
Match point right here. Match point.
What do you want? Huh?
Ooh, that's game.
Bro got luck.
All right, guys. One successful install for the Integra. Hope you guys enjoyed.